Hello everyone, I am Adil Patel and I am working as a chef at Caesars Blue Waters, Dubai. So today I am making main course of smoked beef and spinach patty with mashed potatoes and caramelized onion. Now I will show you all the ingredients that we need. For patty we need US beef mince, spinach, milk, white bread, onion powder and garlic powder, garlic and sprig of thyme for basting, chopped garlic, whole grain mustard, paprika powder, chopped thyme, cheddar cheese and salt and pepper and olive oil. For mashed potatoes, we need potatoes, nutmeg, cream, salt and butter. For caramelized onion, we need white sliced onions, butter, apple juice, salt and cinnamon. For final garnish, we will use some microgreens, pink peppercorn and molten salt. So let's start. For patty, first we will saute our spinach and garlic. So first I put oil, then I am putting garlic in this. Now I am going to add spinach. So I am cutting the crust of the bread and I will put the bread in the milk. We are soaking the bread in milk, which we'll use later in mince for binding. So let's start marinating our beef mince. Beef mince, now we'll add black pepper powder, paprika powder, whole grain mustard, chopped thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, half teaspoon of salt, now we'll mix it. Now I am going to add our spinach. I'll squeeze it a bit. Now I am adding our soaked bread. So now I am putting around 1 spoon of olive oil. Now I will mix it thoroughly. So potatoes are cooked, now we'll mash it. Now I am going to give smoke to our mixture. So now I am putting a silver foil and burning charcoal in a steel bowl. Little bit of black pepper, olive oil, and we'll cover it. So now we'll make the patty and stuff with cheddar cheese. So now I will keep the patty in the fridge and we'll start making caramelized onion. For making caramelized onion, we'll put oil in our hot pan. Now I'm gonna add cinnamon stick in this, and now I'll put our onions. Now I'll add a pinch of salt, apple juice. So our onion is caramelized now. So now we'll proceed with our patty. We are gonna sear our patty now. Now I am putting some butter cubes, thyme and crushed garlic on top. So now I'll put this patty in oven. Our oven is already preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. So it's been 5 minutes now. Our patty is ready. So we'll remove our patty now. We'll keep it here for some time for resting. So now we'll proceed with our mashed potatoes. First I'm gonna put some cream. So cream is hot now. We'll add butter in this. Our potatoes. A pinch of salt. Some nutmeg. So before plating, we will just baste our meat. So we'll start plating now. Garnish with microgreens. Some molten salt and some crushed pink peppercorn on top. So we have the basting liquid for sauce. Now we will use this. My dish is ready. Thank you for watching.